Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be talking about the vibration intensity on the Poco X3 device on the back side of the panel. As you can see, friends, this is a Poco X3 smartphone I'll be using, and I did do the same kind of video using the different kind of method. But right now in this method, I'll be trying to use this rise or back panel of the Poco X3, and I'll be showing you clearly which portion of the area is more vibrating. So this is the only way to get to know which portion of the area is more vibrating and at what volume it is more vibrating as well, because this is only biggest another drawback of this phone, where the vibration is a lot when you use at higher volumes. Because of the dual stereo speaker setup, the sound is very good, the sound is very loud, everything is fine, but apart from having this so much of vibrations on the back panel. So in this video, I got some of the rice here, and which I'll be trying to pour on the back side of the Poco X3, and let's see how much intensity will be there when you do this kind of rice thing as well. And make sure to follow me regularly on my YouTube channel and try to check the playlist as well. So in the playlist of Poco X3, you can find so many videos related to what type of launcher I am using in this video as well. So let me try to play the audio file which I'm going to test in this video. So right now, let me try to play the audio in the low volume, starting with, and let me try to pour the rice backside of the phone completely, and let me separate the rice clearly and properly, so you can see exactly the intensity where it's coming mostly. So let me divide the rice equally between the back panel. So I'm trying to place exactly in the center, because anyway if I place in the edges, it will be very slope and the rice will fall easily. So let me try to divide equally, and I divided the rice properly. So let me try to zoom in exactly to that area so you can notice the vibrations. And now let me try to increase the volume. As you can see, friends, in the lower volume you don't get any kind of vibrations, but the moment you increase to more than 60 or 70%, you will see the vibrations, as you can see here clearly. As you can see right now, you can notice clearly the vibrations here. So mostly, friends, the vibrations are present only exactly in this area only. The most of the vibrations here only I can feel the difference. So now I selected only a few rice, because the before everything was close to each other and the vibrations you cannot see actually because they are close to each other. So now I did separate using only few rice here. So now let me try to increase the volume and observe this area which is more vibration. So clearly you can see here friends, the area below this camera portion only, it's kind of more vibrating. So this is the first thing I did notice on the first day of using the full volume in the Poco X3, and I did a video on that one as well, explaining about the vibrations. So before the users they buy about the Poco X3 device, but right now I did try this kind of test so that you will get exactly know what is happening with these vibrations. And few of the users, they do have some kind of concerns about the long time durability for these vibrations. I don't think it will affect that much of vibrations, because anyway you won't be using with the high volume at every time. But there's just an sometimes some use cases where the phone will be vibrating if you place the phone on the table, on the steel surface or any other iron surface. If you place the phone, the vibrations will be more on that kind of surface. So try to not face only the simple phone. So try to use some kind of case every time with the Poco X3, so that will prevent the vibrations touching to the surface. So try to always use the case for the Poco X3 device whenever you are placing the phone on the table with high volume. That can actually prevent some vibrations. So definitely, but if you ask me, I don't think this will be that much kind of impact, because anyway as I said, you will be using for only some time, so not for every day, and for long hours you won't be using with the loudspeaker. So it should not be impacting at all in terms of the performance and durability. Even the battery as well, it won't be affecting at all. But make sure to not to use above 70% volume if you want to play the sounds all the time. So try to be around 60 to 70% of the volume, then that should be the more good enough. Till here the volume should be fine, but anything more than that, the volume, the vibrations you can see more on the below this camera area. So try to always maintain the vibrations below 60 or close to 70 percentage. If you want to play it high volume, I know what you're saying, that you did not buy the phone to just to use for 60 and 70%, you want to use 100%, then definitely you can use 100%, but not for long time. So I don't recommend you using for long time, 1 hour and 2 hours. So maybe for some time it should be okay and fine. And thank you for watching this video friends. This test is very interesting even for me, and this is the first time I'm doing this kind of test as well. And for more videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.